Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set the limit to your usage credit spending so it won't overcharge you for Claude Code. So if you have promotional credits, for example, that you redeemed, and as you can see, like I already spent it was $100 credit earlier and expires September 19. And if you want to use this, you have to turn on the usage credits. But the thing is that you tend to, not look at this number right here, the current balance that you have. This is like the free credits that you get, and you don't want to overspend. For example, you go over, it's not gonna alert you. So what you want to do is you want to go here. This is the monthly spending limit. So it's set a monthly limit for Claude usage in your organization. Note, once the orgs hits that limit, Claude access will be cut off for all users until the limit resets. So if you don't want to overspend the promotional credit, and there's no way for you to know because once you're on here, it's gonna tell you, like right here, if you click here, gonna say usage credits, how much you spent, but also if you go over, for example, you have like a big prompt, it's gonna go over the 65, 80, 85 right here because you don't watch out for this. You don't like regularly check here. So you want to go to your usage on the left right here. You go down and you click the adjust limit. So if you click adjust limit, for example, you want to check how much is left in your promotional credit. So 65.37, and you want to have auto reload off. You don't want it to get charged if you go over. So you can set a limit to 65.37 right here, and then set the spending limit right here. That's the monthly, and also leave this off. So if you have it on, it's gonna auto recharge. So it's gonna charge your credit card and refill the credits once it's all consumed. And so right here, you're gonna be able to limit your usage by setting a spending limit right here for Claude Code. So it says right here, you can have Claude Code 50% higher through August. So that's great, and you get to spend that $100 credits if you were already subscribed to Claude Pro account before the July 19. So spend this credit before it runs out because it expires in September 19. And if you find this video helpful, please give a like. That's going to help me a tons. And thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned, subscribe, so you're going to see the next helpful tips. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.